This week, we're excited to introduce Mystery Box. Players pick one box from a carousel with prizes hidden inside. You decide the prizes, set probabilities, and craft the perfect experience for your audience. Let's dive in. Imagine a home mortgage company attending a trade show, aiming to raise awareness among homeowners and drive footfall to their exhibition booth. The brief: create the Joneses Family Mystery Box. In this game, entrants need to find baby Michael's missing teddy to win a $100 reward. But here's the best part. This isn't just a demo for how you create the promotion. You'll actually get to play with a real $100 prize up for grabs. You'll find the link to play at the end of this video. To get started, click Create Promotion, select Mystery Box, choose the first ready-made promotion that's available here, and give it a name to get started. We're now in the builder and ready to edit. Click anywhere on the boxes to open up the settings. You'll see the settings for the prize options. When someone enters and selects a box to open, one of these prizes will appear inside the box. You can have as many prize options as you like, and you can set the quantity available for each prize. I'll talk more about setting prize probabilities in a minute. In this promotion, by default, we have just 3 prize options set. Let's change that. I'll duplicate an existing prize option to add more. And now I'll update each of the labels and the feedback text, which appears very briefly when the box opens, and finally the image for each prize. You'll find alternative images in the ready-made folder, or you can upload your own. Now I have added more prize options, I will update the quantities for each. Turn this switch on and a total quantities box will appear. Add the number for the quantity of each prize you're willing to give. Finally, setting a non-winning prize option is good practice. In this example, I'll use this non-winning prize option to be an entry to a sweepstakes. Now that we've changed the prize options, we also have to change the result messages. Each prize option ideally should have its own result message. This is really important to do as it is the final message your entrant receives and tells them what prize they've got and how to redeem it. Now for the fun bit. We're going to make some design changes. First, I'll change the text here at the top of the start page. Next, I'll change the background image. We head to the theme and background. I'll choose an alternative from the ready-made folder. I'm going to leave the box colors as they are. You can change them if you want. But I will add some animation. I'm also going to change the box lid so it looks more like a cardboard box used to move house. The rest of the changes I'm going to make I've detailed in the support article. They're a little more advanced as they use CSS and HTML to add further animations. And so there we have it, a Find Mr. Teddy mystery box promotion. Keep designing, keep engaging, and keep winning. See you next week for another round of Play School.